Hey Lou, what kind of music do bunnies like? Hip hop. Well, Missy's out of town for a couple of days, and we've never really been good about being separated from each other, so I'm sure neither one of us will sleep very well for the next few days. Just Tuesday and Wednesday, but it'll be a long couple of days anyway. And my computer crashed this morning. We had a power surge. Well, I don't know if it was a power surge, but the power went out, and it just went out and came back on, and the computer crashed out. So luckily, in this day and age, we store everything in the cloud, so I'm not sure what was on the computer that might be lost, but I haven't had any luck getting it past that blue screen of death. I just uploaded some videos to it, and then that little power surge as I was starting to get ready to edit, and she was gone. So hopefully whatever we need's in the cloud, and nothing was on that computer. Still have the laptop, but it's not quite as big as the desktop computer. So here we are. Missy's gone. Computer crashed. I'm way behind. But it's a beautiful day. It's cooler this week here than it was last. So we've got some things to do. Let's go get them done. I would like to butcher these birds this week. We have about 11 birds in there that need to be butchered probably. Kind of got spaced out on our tractors here. They should be within a couple of feet of each other instead of like 4 or 5 spaced, 4 or 5 feet space between them. So we're going to have to tighten that up. We're not pulling in very good lines or keeping them close enough together to get good coverage the way we would want. Philippians 2:12 and 13. Therefore, my beloved, as you have always obeyed, so now, not only as in my presence, but much more in my absence, work out your salvation with fear and trembling. For it is God who works in you, both to will and to work for his good pleasure. I guess the old wind's playing with us today, probably coming through the mic. Maybe if I keep my head turned, it won't be so rumbly. I can feel it rumbling at my back right now. A lot of people misinterpret Philippians 2:12 when it says work out your own salvation. Be sure that has nothing to do with your own actual work. You do nothing. You do not do the work of salvation. It says in the beginning there in Philippians 2:12, it says, obey, continue in your obedience, continue doing the things that you do. Continuing that way, not only when I'm here, Paul, not only when I'm here, but when I'm gone, all the much more continue in your obedience. And continuing with yesterday's conversation about Christian behavior, our obedience should be the same in the church, with church people, and away, much more when we're away. We're representing God, we're representing the church, we're representing our faith. So we should be behaved Christian-like, not stirring up trouble, not in conflict all the time, not deceitful, not looking for wicked ways, but in obedience to what God calls us to follow the path of Christ. And as far as Philippians 2:12 is concerned, you follow up with Philippians 2:13. It says, so Philippians 2:12, work out your own salvation. And what it really means is continue in the way, continue making progress on this path you've been on, continue diligently following Christ. Because in Philippians 2:13, it's God working in you. It's God working in you for his own glory, for his own pleasure. My daily prayer, and I fail all the time, but my daily prayer is to bring God glory. What can my life do to bring God glory? How can I represent God in the world and bring him glory? That's what we're supposed to do. That's what we will find satisfaction in this life if we understand our place with God. to bring him glory. Not dull, not weak, not boring, very much vibrant, very much complete. That when I feel the wind in my back, I feel God's presence. Not in some mystical, magical way, but knowing that he's the creator, knowing that he put these things here for my pleasure, knowing that he put these things here for my sustenance. I want to bring him glory more and more every day. And that's what Philippians 2:12, Philippians 2:13, and really the crux of Scripture is our obedience, our walk, our journey is to bring him glory.